young people, they create hope. They're also doing things. They're going out and they're tackling, and we're seeing so much change. I'm so proud of what we managed to do together.
What we try to do is to accompany the young champions on their way to achieve sustainable solutions for the planet.
I've been struck by the grit and determination of individuals who refuse to back down in the face of daunting challenges, but instead seek and find solutions.
The only thing that moved us is the immense problem and the impact it's generating on a daily basis.
When these young people are inspiring others, the potential is really endless. You can do something today, here and now, no matter what your passion is, as long as you get started.
My name is Louise Mabulo, and I say, dare to feed the future.
We're here at the kickoff to the 2019 Young Champions of the Earth with our 7 young champions. And the last few days have really been a kickoff to the next year that is filled with showcasing their work and telling their stories. And what we've been working on is really diving into how they can use this opportunity to reach more people, inspire others, and to bring them along in their journey.
So the Champions of the Earth is the United Nations' highest environmental honor for achievement in the past, achievement done. While the Young Champions program is forward-looking. We're talent spotting amazing environmental entrepreneurs who have a big idea and they have the ambition and a will to realize those big ideas. This dream we had of UN Environment and Covestro working together, I'm so proud of what we managed to do together.
So we've been workshopping, doing a lot of leadership development, looking at not just their personality types, but how they use that in order to expand their reach and expand their influence.
We've reached tens of millions of people. 30 million people alone last year saw the Young Champion videos, got inspired. They saw stories of young people doing everything from using plastic bottle trash to make musical instruments.
So we are equipping Catholic communities with the information, insights, tools, and frameworks to understand their real estate holdings and leverage those for environmental, social, and financial impact.
We at Green Energy Mobility, GEM, is empowering the grassroots women drivers.
I'm very inspired because I see that many people something do for our nature.
To solve this immense problem, we decided to take things into our own hands, and we never thought of creating a company that currently employs more than 100 people.
I invite everyone here to fight against water insecurity.
Only by providing tools and empowering the local communities, we'll be able to help save such an important wilderness.
The Cacao Project is on a mission to position our farmers for sustainable success.
We know that the private sector has an incredibly important role in helping these young individuals realize their big ideas. And we're proud of our partnership with Covestro in building this program over the past 3 years to help these amazing individuals who come from every corner of the world to not only build their dreams, realize their dreams, but inspire their communities.
This is the United Nations sponsored Championship of the Earth Awards.
And we're honoring young champions from around the world.
Because it's 1 year closer till it's too late. You may be young, but you are more important than the adults because you have the energy, you have the ideas, and we want to hear from you.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, and welcome to the United Nations Environment Program 2019 Champions of the Earth Award ceremony. What tonight is about is recognizing and celebrating those who are brave, bold, and courageous enough to take up the fight to tackle our environmental crisis. They take action.
The United Nations is all about bringing people together because we only have one Earth, one ecosystem, and without it, there's nothing.
This year's Champions of the Earth have stepped up to provide concrete solutions to the climate crisis, the defining issue of our time. As we embark on this journey of discovery tonight, we are deeply grateful to our two sponsors, Weibo and Covestro.
At Covestro, we have a strong orientation to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals for many years already. For us, the Young Champions program has gained in importance incredibly over the last years. It's already the third round this year. We stay behind them, we support them, we try to develop them, and we try our best to develop them personally and make them successful in their business.
Every time I feel despondent and unhappy, I look to these young champs. They are so inspiring and motivating, and I have to tell you something. This year is truly special. Please welcome Ajani Costa of Angola, Luis Mavulo from the Philippines, Sonika Manandar of Nepal, Omar Atani of Lebanon, Marianna Muntianu from Russia, Ana Luisa Becerra of Brazil, the United States of America's Molly Burhans. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you 2019 United Nations Environment Program Young Champions.